Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all go ahead and put on your running shoes and grab your purse because we have a run deal on cereal right now. But before you do that, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button that's right down below this video, and do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, just in case you all missed it, I have already uploaded 2 Dollar General videos this week. The first one going over all of the new coupons, glitches, and a clearance event which ends today. And then also, I uploaded a new video this morning going over the new clearance markdowns and a huge penny list which starts tomorrow. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and run right into Dollar General real quick. Sorry about all the shaking, but you know what? I was in a hurry. So we are on the lookout for the General Mills cereals. They are on sale this week, 2 for $5, and we're going to need to pick up a total of 4 boxes. Now, I planned on picking up 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch and 2 of the Honey Nut Cheerios. However, when I scanned the Honey Nut Cheerios, I noticed that those were not included in the 2 for $5 sale. Now, my store did not have all of the General Mills cereals in stock, but the ones that they had on the shelves I did scan, and here are 3 that are definitely included in this sale. So we have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Reese's Puff cereals, and the Golden Graham cereal. But again, I'm sure that there are others included in this sale. Again, it's just very important that you all scan each cereal that you want to pick up and make sure that that 2 for $5 sale shows up underneath each cereal. Alright guys, so I just got out of Dollar General and I pulled up into my driveway, and we're going to go ahead and film this right here, right now, so that I can get this out to you all ASAP. So I ended up purchasing a total of 4 boxes of the General Mills cereals, alright? Again, it is very important that you guys scan those boxes to make sure that they are included in the 2 for $5 sale, because that is going to put your subtotal at $10, alright? We have a DG store coupon for 2 off 10 for the General Mills products. We also have a 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon and another 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So that is going to put your subtotal at $6, all right? So here is a look at my receipt. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let's go ahead and adjust the camera a little bit. All right, there you go. So 4 boxes of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, normally $3.65 each. However, with the sale and that 2 off 10 DG store coupon, that took off a total of $6.60. And then right underneath it, y'all can see the 2 manufacturer coupons coming off, a 1 off 2 and another 1 off 2. That put my subtotal at $6 even. So I saved a total of $8.60, all right? But then this still gets even better, because then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $1 back for purchasing 2 of the General Mills cereals. And then if you include 2 of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereals or 2 of the Lucky Charms cereals, or you could do 1 each, you're going to get 50 cents back for each of those boxes. So that is another $1 back. So all in all, you're going to get $2 back from Ibotta, making your final price $4 for 4 boxes. Now, don't forget that we still have overage at DG right now with those Crest and Oral-B products. So if you guys can find 2 of these items and use that 3 off 2 digital coupon, you guys can make your final price $3 for 4 boxes of cereals. So you want to be on the lookout for the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, or the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1, or the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush for $1, or the Oral-B Healthy and Clean toothbrush for $1. Again, pick up 2 of those, use that 3 off 2 digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. That's going to leave you paying $5 out of pocket. But again, you're going to get back $2 from Ibotta, making your final price $3 for all 4 boxes. Now, before I have any rude people down in the comment section, I want to go ahead and make myself very clear. This is not a glitch deal. We can do this deal all week long, and we can include it with our 5 off $25 scenarios on Saturday. But I consider this to be a run deal, because typically anytime we have cereal deals like this, these shelves get cleared and fast. And I don't know about you guys, but like I said before, at my store, they didn't even have all of the General Mills cereals in stock to begin with. So yeah, I'm going to be very, very lucky to be able to find 4 of those cereals at my store on Saturday. So again, this is not a glitch, but I consider this a definite run deal. Now, before I let y'all go, I wanted to go ahead and share with y'all a few of the Halloween items that I picked up today when I ran in to do that cereal deal. So, y'all keep in mind that Halloween is currently at 25% off, but we have a Dollar General clearance event going on right now, and all the Halloween stuff is included. So, it is an additional 50% off right now, and today is the last day of that clearance event. So, when you run in to do your cereal deal, make sure that you skim through that Halloween stuff and see if there's anything that you got to pick up. And it's a great time to go ahead and think about next year. So, here is what I picked up. My store, they had everything on tables and totes up near the front of the register. So while I was waiting in line, I went ahead and kind of picked through and grabbed a few items. So we have this 2-piece kitchen towel set. It says too cute to spook. Y'all know I love my cats, and I actually have 2 black cats. So I went ahead and picked up this little kitchen towel set, normally $3. Right now, today only $1.12. Then I also found this little, it stands up by itself, little sign. It's a Hocus Pocus. Who isn't obsessed with Hocus Pocus right now? I know my daughter definitely is. So I went ahead and picked this up. Again, this was normally $3, just $1.12 today. Now, I also found this little arsenic poison bottle. It is a glass bottle. It's not plastic. That was $5. So I lost my receipt for that one because I did it separately. But I think it was around $2. All right, you guys do the math. And then they also had a bunch of candy left. Unfortunately, a lot of the name brand stuff like the Kit Kats and the Reese's and all that stuff was gone. But they still had quite a bit of the bagged candy. So I may go back up there and kind of see what else I can find later on today. But I did go ahead and grab up some of the Zachary's candy corn. Normally $2.25. They had an absolute ton of this stuff left. And right now, today only, it is 84 cents each. So I definitely grabbed a couple of those for the kiddos. And yeah, there you go. There is my haul. So whenever you guys run out to do your cereal deal, make sure that you skim through the Halloween stuff and see if there's anything that you want to pick up. And come back and let me know if you scored down in the comment section below. And once you're done shopping, don't forget to come back and check out the other 2 Dollar General videos that I've uploaded so far this week, going over all of the new coupons, glitches, and talking about that clearance event. Remember, today is the last day of that DG clearance event. And then also, we have an epic clearance markdown, a bunch of 90% off items, and a really good penny list for tomorrow on Tuesday. So make sure that you check out that video as well. Both of those will be linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. Good luck everybody, and make sure that y'all stay tuned because I'll have the good deals and glitch list video coming up next, plus my Walgreens haul. So, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.